Hey y'all, today is May 8th. Yeah, it's the 8th. Lila and I are currently moving the Easter eggers into the new coop because I have to move the lavender orpingtons outside today. The lavenders are fully feathered, so they're ready to come outside. The Easter eggers have been in the barn, but we just put this kennel up in the chicken coop. So I'm going to put the Easter eggers in the chicken coop in this kennel because they're going to be moving into this chicken coop when they get to be laying age. That way they can kind of get to know each other through the fence, and then the Easter eggers can kind of get to know the surroundings and stuff of this chicken coop. So the Easter eggers are in the barn, so we're going to grab the Easter eggers. I have to hang the feeder, then we have to go, I'm going to clean that one out, then I'm going to go and get the lavenders to bring them into the barn. I'm going to try to hang it in the middle so the bigger chickens don't take their food. There we go. That should be good. And then I need to get like a roost. I'll put the water on this side. And then we'll put the roost over there. Okay. Let's see, we have this, but I don't know if it's going to fit in between, but we're going to try it and we will see if it works. Okay, so it fits through the bars, but I have to put it this way because it's going to be in the way of the food and stuff. So, okay, why did it fit over there but not over here? The bars must be smaller on this side. That's weird. Okay, I can't put it through the door. I guess this is okay. Oof. There we go, this needs to be pushed. And some more. There we go. That should work. Okay, let me go get the Easter eggers. Okay, this is Loretta. She's one of my Easter eggers. She's about 13 weeks. So she can be let out in this coop in a little over a month. So, here, will you hold this for me, please? Girl. Yeah. Okay. There. I don't like how close this roof is to this wall, but these bars are smaller than the sides are. So I was going to try to put it that way, but it won't work. But they should be okay. Let's see. I'm going to clean this out, and then this is where I'm going to put the lavenders until their coop is ready. Okay, and then this girl right here is Freckles. She's also an Easter egger. All three of these are Easter eggers. Alright, Freckles. Go right there. Girl. That'll be nice. Okay, and this girl right here does not have a name yet. So comment below some name ideas if y'all want to. She's super, super gorgeous. Absolutely love her feathers. She's so pretty. This is the one that I thought was the cockerel, if y'all follow me on Instagram. When she was about 3 weeks old, I had my eye on her. I thought she was a cockerel, but she's not. So, there we go. Okay, I just got done cleaning the bottom of the kennel. I wanted to show y'all this really quick. Yesterday, my mom and I set up this sink area for out by the barn. The chicken coop is right here, and the barn's here. So the sink is right here. We got this sink out of somebody's trash a few years ago. So she made me a little sink area, and I'm super excited about it so I can like wash all my bowls and buckets and stuff. The faucet doesn't work. I'm not sure if we can get it to work because I don't think you can, which I know there's a way to get it to work out here, but like with a water hose, I don't think you can get it to work. So we put the hose through this thing, which where like I guess a normal like soap or sprayer thing would go. And then I put a stick in here so that the hose wouldn't fall out. But we're going to get a sprayer for this hose, or we're going to get another hose to hook up there to run to here, like a little one. And then we're just going to put a sprayer on it so it doesn't fall through the hole. So yeah, I'm super, super excited about it. So I'll be able to like wash all of my dishes and stuff out here. This thing is like brand new. When we got it out of somebody's garbage, it's crazy what people throw away. Okay, so this is all clean for the lavenders. So I'm going to get them in a minute. But it's time for the horses to come in. They're turned out, so I'm going to go catch the horses, and then I'll go and get the lavenders to put out here in the barn. And then my only chicks that will be left in the house are the Morans. So yeah, I'm going to clean the chickens' water really quick because the ducks came in here and made it all a mess. So I'm going to clean this really quick. And then I got to go catch the horses. I love this thing so much, y'all. So excited about it. Alright, let me rinse it. And fill it up. Okay, I think we need gas. Let me check this tire though. That tire, we have to air the tire up before we go. I gotta go find it. But we gotta air this tire up before we go. Let me go find that rope real quick. The gardenia bush is loaded. It's absolutely gorgeous. I wish y'all could smell it because it smells so good. And then we moved the picnic table over here by the pool because we're gonna get the pool going soon. And then she also built this fire pit that we already had those stones, so she built a fire pit out of that. So it'll be really nice to have out here. And then she's gonna be putting some flowers in here. And we keep teasing her because it looks like a coffin or a burial. Like, what do you call this? What would you call it? Coffin? No, not the coffin. The coffin is what the body goes in, like the box. Yeah. What is this called? I don't know. I don't know, but it looks like it's for a body. Okay. So she needs to put some flowers in there. I keep teasing her about it. Alright, and then this playpen, we have to put the pigs in while we clean their bin out. I have to do that after I put the lavenders out. Oh my gosh, okay. Whoa. You can turn the air on for a second while I do this. Okay. Where are we at? There we are. Once you get on it, it won't burn as bad. Alright, let's see. It's open. Okay. No. Let's go. It's in neutral. One momento. Okay, let's go. Lila and I use the four-wheeler. Hold on, let me hold this better. Lila and I use the four-wheeler, but the horses don't move off of the four-wheeler. So we have to, which I don't really want them to move off the four-wheeler anyway. So we have a rope. So they only move off of like our voice and the rope. So we basically drive them back. But we are on the four-wheeler since we don't have to like walk all the way over here. But I just wanted to like kind of say that because the horses are not scared of the four-wheeler. We ride the four-wheeler and they move off of what we tell them. Okay. Always stays back there until like the last minute and then she comes running. Hey. It's hilarious. I'm not paying attention. I'm not paying attention. junked.
Hello?
Get the gate. Get the gate. No, I'm trying to block Levi. B, come on. Lila, he's gonna pass. Bluey! Shoot. There she goes. Okay, we got everybody. Lila had to end up getting off the four-wheeler. Normally they all just go, but like today they were like not having it. Because Levi got back over and then I had to go and get him, so. Hello! And then I have to open this gate. I have to tie it here because the minis can fit through here if you don't. Okay. The minis don't get turned out in the big pasture because they don't need that much grass. So they've lost a little bit of weight, but trying to balance it out with exercise and diet. So they look a lot better. So that's good. And all the 3 horses are doing really good with the minis, so that's amazing. Okay, now I have to get the lavenders and then I have to clean the pigs thing. Hey, B. Hey. She's a good girl. Need a bath. I have to give the mares a bath soon, so if y'all want me to vlog doing that, comment below if you want to see a vlog of a bath day with the mares. You want that? Blue Jeans loves baths. Okay, and this is all ready for the lavenders, so I'm gonna go get them real quick. Okay, on our way to the barn. The pullets don't have names yet either of the lavenders. The cockerel's name is Maui. My mom named him Maui. And then, hold on, okie dokie. So there's 3 pullets. Go ahead. Go ahead. There we go. So y'all can comment names for them too. Get in, you're not all the way in. There you go. Alright, I have to go get the cockerel. Okay, so this is Maui. He's the cockerel. Lavender Orpington cockerel. I'm so excited about him. I've wanted a lavender Orpington rooster for so long. So I'm so excited about him. Okay, Bubba. Go on. Go with your girls. Go on with your girls. Go on. Gotta step off my arm. Come on, Bubs. You gotta step off my arm. Maui. Go on. Look, your girl's over there. Go. Bubba. You gotta get off of my arm. Come on. Come on. Okay, now he's trying to climb my back. Okay, now he's on my shoulder. Current situation. Look at him. Where is your head? There it is. You gotta go in there. Got him to go in. Come on, go see your girls. Okay, so they're moved. So that's good. I always get questions about when it's time for your babies to go outside. And I'm still planning the video of my chick care guide. I'm sorry it's been taking me so long, but I really want to put as much information in it as possible. So I'll be talking more about that in that video. But you want to definitely make sure that they're fully feathered. These birds are fully feathered. They don't have any more fuzz. So you can see they've got their feathers in. And then you really want to make sure that their immune systems are strong. You don't want to put birds with weak immune systems outside. I'll be talking about immunity a lot in the care guide that I'm going to be making. But basically I do probiotics a couple times a week from when they're little babies, and I'll still continue to do that. If you don't want to use probiotics, you can use like yogurt. Yogurt is a natural probiotic, but I personally like using probiotics. I get them from Tractor Supply or our local feed store. Because immunity is definitely something that's very important and something that gets looked over a lot. And a lot of the times when you have babies die, it's because their immune systems were weak. So it's definitely something really important to educate yourself about if you want to raise babies especially if you already have an existing flock. When you already have an existing flock and then you add babies, the flock that you already have can spread bacteria and diseases to your younger babies. So if you already have chickens, it's even more important to make sure your babies have strong immune systems. So even if you get babies that are from different feed stores or different carriers, they can even spread that way as well. So you want to make sure that they have good gut flora and all that good stuff, that they're exposed to coccidiosis and all of that. I'll be going over that stuff because there's so much to talk about. I'll be making a separate video about that. So yeah, I'm super excited about these babies, and it also depends on your climate. If you live somewhere where it's cold, they still might need a lamp, but these babies are good to go. So yeah, they'll be in here until we get their chicken coop built. Like I said, these are going to be bred. I'm going to be breeding these, so which eventually I'm going to have to get a different rooster, depending, probably like in a few years I'll have to get a different rooster since they're a part of the same bloodline. But he should be good for a few years. So where these boards are right here is where the next coop is going to be, and this is where the lavenders are going to be. So we're building it off of this so we can use that wall, so we have less materials we have to get since we're using that as part of one of the walls. Not too sure where the door and stuff is going to go yet. So thankful that my parents helped me build stuff, and I'm just so thankful for them. But I'm super excited about this. So all of my Morans, Easter eggers, all the hens that I have are going in there. Lavenders are in here. I have the ducklings over here, as well as my bantams over there. And then here's the sink again. Super excited about it. So now I have to go and clean out the piglets thing. So I'm gonna go do that. Yeah. Here's Squiggly and Wilbur. Squiggy, come here. Look at her tail. Come here. They've already grown so much. Look at her tail. Watch her. Wag your tail, Squiggy. Wag your tail. Wilbur looks like a chipmunk. Tell me.
He's striped like a hog. No, fighting.
Look at your tail. Look at your tail.
He's wanting to root.
I know, they started over here. Hey. Hi, Wilbur.
What is it, Wilbur?
Look at your tail. Mom, look at her. Look at that tail. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, are we a happy little piggy? I just cleaned out the piglets bin, so I'm gonna go take this and put some bedding and stuff in it. Time for the piglets to eat. They're getting rice cereal and their formula. Warmed up the milk a little bit. They're ready to eat pellets. I just have to get some. So I'm going to do this. Let's see. Daddy just got home from work, so the dogs are barking.
at it wagging the tail the whole time. It's almost.
It's a race. It's a race.
He won't. Don't let him steal hers.
Okay, I've got the piglets thing cleaned out, so they're gonna go back inside soon. Hello. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Alright, y'all, so it's a little bit later now. I'm cleaning out the brooder that the lavenders were in, and I'm about to feed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. But I love y'all so much and appreciate you so much. And I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!